right, so on this one, on the IXL for U7, it has, we're going to be writing the variable expressions for arithmetic sequences. What that means is that we're looking for the explicit formula for the arithmetic sequence. Now, the explicit formula is a n or f of n, however, because the a sub n, that's just function notation. It's just another way to have the function notation, okay? When you're writing the explicit formula, you're going to take the first term in the sequence, and then you're going to add the common difference, and then times n minus 1. So, for example, this term, this sequence right here, the first term in this sequence is negative 69. Now, I'm going to write let me write, that's our first term in the sequence, 69. Now, let's find our common difference. Our common difference is going to be 68 minus 69. Minus and a minus become a plus. That's going to give me a positive 1. So when I put this together using this formula, our formula is going to be negative 69 plus 1 times n minus 1. That's all we have to put in there. So we're going to put negative 69 plus 1 n minus 1, and we're done. Now you can simplify this further. Think about this. If I'm distributing, if this coefficient was not 1, so let's say our coefficient, our common difference was 2, we would have to distribute the 2. But because this is 1, I can just remove the parentheses. So this would be at negative 69 plus n minus 1. Now you have like terms here and here. So that would give you n minus 70. So you can write that 69, negative 69 plus 1, and then n minus 1, or we can simplify further and do the n minus 70. Now, in the interest of time and doing the IXL, I would probably just go ahead and put it in the explicit format just for time and the sense of time, okay? Now, I'm going to do, all of these are arithmetic, okay? I'm going to jump up a level. Actually, I'm going to jump up 2 levels. Go to level 3, because level 3 is asking for the sequence and then a term number. And this is why we want to write the explicit format, okay? So our first term in the sequence is 80 plus our common difference. So 160 minus 80 is going to give me 80. So that's plus 80 times n minus 1. So I'm going to go ahead and put 80 plus 80 and then n minus 1. Okay? Now, we're looking for the 91st term. That means I'm going to do 80 plus 80 times n is 91. 91 minus 1 is 90. So I'm going to do 80 times 90. So I'm going to go over to Desmos, because that's a big number. 80 times 90, and then plus 80 again. So that's 7280. So the 70 or 91st term in the sequence is 7,280. Does that make sense on what I did there? All right. Submitting it, I'm done. That's all you're doing on those. All right. The biggest thing you want to make sure is to pay attention to when your common difference is negative, because if your common difference is negative, you would end up writing A1 for a first term minus that common difference and then the n minus 1. So pay attention to that scenario. All right. And that's all you're doing on that IXL.